COSM declares 2019 Class 12 exam results. Combined pass percentage for all streams stands at 73.83. Students of government schools bag positions. And Ningombam Tampachanu bags All India third position in humanities streams of Council for Indian School Certificate Examination 2019. Kurumjari, good evening. You're watching Primetime English News and I'm Victoria Rajkumari bringing you the top stories. First up, Council of Higher Secondary Education Manipur declared the results of Class 12 examinations 2019 today. 21,151 students passed the examination out of the total 28,649 students who appeared in arts, science and commerce streams this year and recorded a combined pass percentage of 73.83, an increment of 6% from last year. Students from government schools bagged position in arts and commerce streams. Education Minister T.H. Radheshams announced the much-awaited results at 3 this afternoon in COSM office at Babupara in the presence of COSM's chairman L. Mahendra, Education as Director and other relevant officials. Michael Atom of Messi Explorer Academy, Changangai, and Laishram Librada of Extra 8 School, Ghari, jointly secured this year's first position in science stream, each securing 476 marks out of total 500. Second position went to Sujeta Basnet of Hubbard School, Changangai, with 474 marks, and Jasmine Hekruzam of the same school bagged the third position with 469 marks. In the arts stream, Oinam Berlin of Enlightened Knowledge Higher Secondary School, Sangakpam, clinched the top position, securing 445 marks out of total 500. Melody Moirangthem of the same school bagged the second position with 439 marks. LP Tracy of Don Bosco School Higher Secondary School, Senapati, and Sasania Sagolsem of Enlightened Knowledge Higher Secondary School, Sangakpam, jointly bagged the third position with each securing 432 marks. In the commerce stream, Gurumayum Roberto Sharma of Sangai Higher Secondary School, Chumbraithong, bagged the first position, securing 416 marks out of total 500, followed by Ngamsalen Haukip of Don Bosco Higher Secondary School, Maram, in the second position with 397 marks. Yaikom Babina Chanu of Sangai Higher Secondary School, Chumbraithong, and Nebita Maibam of TG Higher Secondary School jointly bagged the third position in the commerce stream, with each securing 393 marks. Altogether, 5 students of government school bagged the third, fourth and fifth position in commerce stream and the 6th and the 10th position in the arts stream. However, no student of government school entered the top 20 ranks in the science stream. Total pass percentage for government school is 61.96, while total pass percentage for private schools is recorded at 78.64%. The total pass percentage of government schools increased by 12% compared to last year, while the total pass percentage of private schools increased by 6%.
Overall, in class 12 faugi higher secondary da akoi exam da basis tawraga yengagadi akoi education gi standard aiga dramasi improvement lay in logan marmani pass percentage se last year ga hanaga compare tawba kana both private and government ani makta akoi gi improvement yam laibai tare private gi government na improvement dadi improvement wise performance wise ma badi improvement wise da akoi na hengalena mamang se compare tawba kana akoi na si lairiba exam gi result se matungina kanon lay adu mayam na akoi remedial coaching class ka taw ko tana Sing kan hona bagi chhatra sing motivate tawdana dai parents sing na yam thapa yawba chhatra gi union mayam press mayam na so akoi asoi mayam puthok pirakna kan honamina ko dai team holistic approach and team work or koding asi improvement sin la ko ni na topper when yeng nu pa na ta na kiti adu overall performance yeng nu pi ne na pase
Ningombam Tampachanu of Manipur bagged All India third position in the humanities streams of Council for Indian School Certificate Examination 2019. Tampa scored 398 marks out of total 400, securing 99.50% in the examination, which was appeared by 86,713 students. She scored 98 marks in English and 100 marks each in economics, psychology and history subjects. Ningombam Tampha is the elder daughter of Ningombam Mairaba and Ningombam Ongbi Sumati from Singjamai Chongtham Laikai. Her father is the SP of Customs Imphal and her mother is an assistant architect in the Water Resources Department. She studied at Maria Montessori School, Imphal from nursery till class 4 and did her further studies in Mayo College Girls' School in Ajmer city of Rajasthan. Tampha not only stood at third position for all over India, but she is also the topper of Rajasthan state. Speaking to media at her residence, Tampha credited her achievement to her parents. She also expressed a desire to pursue general line to prepare for joining the Indian Administrative Services.
I expectation that Helen Haizaning a kind of the I tend in expectation Tangi with the Kitang name the Tagi with I hand up to a result I don't die the Yamna expectation Wang the Tangi de Pazana Toki the Kanjara so adum Yamna medium when at Tangi I want the Nungai of 2009 2010 advice I chat given a dream atang the Manipur curfew at a ban yam to given in a school shooting yam sang the tag with the academics the yam affected organina bavana mapanda fazana fully residential the changaga upon way out than a thumb given a funny aduga exposure to hen a pangani night chacha given. I know palms over the Indian Foreign Service from the chachaning.
Democratic Students Alliance of Manipur Desam and Apunba Ireibaki Mahiroi Simpan Lob Aims jointly organized one-day discussion meet on the theme Conduct of High School Leaving Certificate Examination, Problems and Remedial Measures today. Speaking on the sidelines of the meeting held at State Guest House in Sajenthong, Desam Vice President and Edition stated that suggestions given by experienced teachers in the conduction of board examinations during the meet will be further consulted with experts to come up with a final suggestive resolution to be submitted to the officials of BOSUM for ensuring smooth conduct of HSLC examinations in the state.
Isha na haktheng thengnarakpa duguma problem mayam amakak masi puthoga masi nainaraga aduga amuk masigumba problem sing asi matung tarakpa examination sing ni hena phagatnaba kari karama makalgi measure sing masi pakhat minagadage haibudugi matangda akhoi ngasigi khanan nainabagi thorom se akhoi sinjabani aduga masida thambiramba suggestion mayam sing adu akhoi na amuk punjinjaraga hariba mathang tarakpa examination sing ni hena phagatnabagi aduguma suggestion oina madu akhoi na board of secondary education Manipur masi akhoi na submit tawjaraga mathang tarakpa examination sing ni hena phagatpa hena phajaba adugu makalgi examination mo ohena akhoi hona jakani haibu.
Democratic Students Alliance of Manipur Desam has demanded the state government to disclose the inquiry committee's report on marks maldistribution in 2018 BOSUM Class 10 examination at the earliest. Speaking to media at Desam office in Sagolban today, Secretary General of Desam, Oinam Sheetal, stated that Desam and parents of some students filed an RTI in June last year in the wake marks maldistribution for some students. He maintained that government set up an inquiry committee to probe into the matter, following which the inquiry committee's report was submitted to the Education Department in October last year. Sheetal condemned the Education Department for keeping the report behind curtains.
Hauchik Pauba inquiry report si Miyama Mangda Putoktuna, inquiry report to the Karipali, Mark Samoksin Tobudana Kana, Senarin, Highness Simba, Miyam, Amapabo, Kangandana, Nasi Pauba, Namsenduna, Tamli. Masida, Desamna, Maria Nebusinga, Hangjaning Basi, Ekogi, Manipur Lenga Asigi, Education Minister Asi, Kashunataba, Ekogi, Mark Tempering Tobogi, Watok Masasigi, Sapsabo, Warushan Pauba, Purakpangam Draga, Mato Kramna, Manipurugi. Education system gi amorpna pikthalaba education system asibu matau karamna sungthokuna afaba education gi kalol ama purakpa ngamgadribano haibasi desama mati lebak miyamna hangdaba ngamde.
Drivers of van services along Imphal More Road staged a sit-in today against alleged illegal tax collection by the Transport Department. The protest demonstration was staged at More Parking in Moirangkom. Speaking to media, one protester, K.H. Binod Kumar, appealed to government to check the unsystematic tax collections by officials of the department from van drivers on Imphal More Road at the earliest. JC against the twin bomb blast injury of Oja Konsam Santosh Kumar at Assam Rifles Transit Camp, Minuthong, and coordinating body Kurai jointly staged a protest demonstration today against government's failure to book the culprits of the incident. Local residents, Maira Paibis and local club members took part in the protest meet staged near the residence of victim Konsam Santosh Kumar in Kurai, Konsam Laikai. Speaking to media, spokesperson of coordinating body Kurai, Bon Kurai condemned the government for failing to book the miscreants involved in the bomb blast that occurred on April 22nd. He further mentioned that no organization has claimed responsibility for the incident. Expressing apprehension over Santosh Kumar's safety, Bon Kurai urged the government to take appropriate measures without further delay, including security to Santosh Kumar. The protester warned of intensifying the agitation if the government failed to book the culprits involved.
Masi soibodagi tawbibra haibasu hairakdaba agi state actors singda natraga non state actors singna security singda akoi tawbodagi soibra su hairakdaba natraga amu atamnana sakhangdaba singna oza santosh ki mathakda tawbane su hairakdaba aduna mathomorong khangdana leibase masi numi masing yamjalakpanina akoi oza santosh si hojik laaga mayumda leirare aduma akoi mapan thokpa khotpasi nungaitre aduna marum aduna yarimakai manipur government na masi kanana tawbuno kaidobuno kari maramgino mara lebasing se masi puthoga masi ki sairak pidribogi marakse yamdrabada hairiba oza santosh se masi ngak senbase masi manipur lengang masi tawbiu ngasi de akoi lekai haure akoi mathang akoi khurai gi kai sum tawrani anu yarimakai akoi su democratic norms akoi pamjabo khurai ni na yarimakai athu matamda thokirakani haibse akoi thajaba thamjari.
Dumping of collected garbage is still banned at Lamding Solid Waste Management today. Speaking to media, locals of Lamding have strongly condemned the news items of some Delhis today, where MLA Lamsang asserted that negotiation has been brought between the locals and the relevant authority, and that disposal of waste at the plant will resume. Irate locals termed the MLA's comments as baseless. They maintain that no agreement was reached whatsoever. The locals welcome relevant authorities to discuss on the issue.
इथक थोंबा मखोइना प्रजागी येंबिगद्रा हरा अखोइ खुंजा सिंजे अदुकी मतिक उसितना अदुकी मतिक तुमि कांगदोनो उबिरगा अमोला काइजे खुदक्ता यासनरे खुदक्ता पुछलनी हाबगी आयाबा मा खबर हाबिरकपजे अखोइ खुंजा सिंना हाइनियारे तम थमोइ छोना नुंगाइजेदे हाबदि मथंग जेनरेशन और अखोइ हुजे हुजे हिंगिबा अखोइ खंबिदबा उबिदबसे हाइनिंगाइ लेतना अखोइना लोके एमएलए दा थमोइ छोना नुंगाइजेदेबा मान पुनमग यिंजनबिरगा पुनमग यानना तौबिरकद्रा हारगा खुदक्ता यानबा यावदन हेक्ता यानरे हारगा खबररा संगाई एक्सप्रेस हेक्ता हापचनबिरकपसे अखोइना माबु थमोइ छोना नुंगाइजेदे अखोइ मखा ताबा यानबा मा हेक पोरक्तिबा फावबा अखोइ पोसे थिंगिगनेबा अदुगा अखोइ मरि लेनबा अथॉरिटी इथक थोंबा डिपार्टमेंट खुदिमका अखोइ यानना बजु फजना थोंलाउना अखोइ लेकाइ खुंगना थोंलाउना हंजरी.
Newly elected President and Standing Committee members of All Manipur Working Journalists Union AMJU took oath of office today. Exiting AMJU President Brazendro Ningombam handed over relevant official documents to the newly elected AMJU President Bijoy Kakching Tabam. The new members assured to work for the welfare of media fraternity. After the break, we bring you news on Kanglei Mime Theatre repertory gearing up for National Mime Festival to be held in Kerala. We'll be back with the details after the break. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Wednesday Primetime English News. Kanglei Mime Theatre repertory Manipur is all set to participate in the National Mime Festival to be held in Kerala from May 10th to 12th. A 12-member team of the repertory will leave Imphal for Kerala tomorrow. The team will stage their play No Budget, directed by Dr. Yomnam Sadananda, on the last day of the festival. The play No Budget is a mime based on the theme corruption. Famous theatre personality of Kerala, Chandrasen, has also invited Kanglei Mime Theatre repertory to stage its play at Kochi. Indian Red Cross Society IRCS Manipur State Branch observed World Red Cross Society at its office in MG Avenue today. Quiz and extempo speech competition and blood donation camp were held to mark the day. Taking part in the event, Honorary Secretary of IRCS Manipur State Branch, Dr. Y. Mohan stated that the day is observed on the occasion of the birth anniversary of Henry Dunant, the late founder of International Committee of Red Cross Society established at Geneva in 1863. He asserted that the members of IRCS Manipur branch will give voluntary blood donation every year on this day as a humanitarian service. A medical team of 12 members comprising of 2 doctors and 10 nurses of Jenims took part in the camp.
Red Cross की थीम से मियोई बिगी humanitarian service ta kathokpa adugumba organization oibana koi miyoy bigi life saving da kwaidagi darkar oiriba e piba gi pandam se so ki Red Cross Day sida koine pangthok chabani sei gudingi marak ta su tawi adubu World Red Cross Day na ang nipan sidi koi e piba gi program si sei gudingi tawjai kwaidagi important oiba laiba phangdaba masan nama oibanina koina asi piriba e sina laite laira singi or emergency so often accident adagi anga unaba khona bada I hadabana sumba da live kanna baina khoina I khara dan tawi ba pangthok saban.
Manipur Information Commission and All Manipur Bar Association jointly organized one-day awareness program on RTI Act 2005 today. The awareness program held at Cherab Court Complex, Imphal, was sponsored by National Federation of Information in India, NFICI, New Delhi. Advocate C.H. Narendra, Deputy Registrar Judicial I, Manipur Information Commission and State Chief Information Commissioner, Manipur Information Commission, O. Sunil gave resourceful insights on the silent features of RTI Act 2005, role of SPIO and FAA, and landmark decision of Manipur Information Commission and role of Manipur Information Commission in the event. Iftar kits were distributed to residents of Lilong, Urub, Kairao, Irong, Sangayumpham, Mayang Imphal and Santhal today under the aegis of Popular Front of India PFI Manipur State in view of Ramadan. Speaking to media at Lilong during one of the distribution events, Maulana Wahidur Rahman stated that iftar kits were distributed to widows and underprivileged families to facilitate them in abiding the holy month of Ramadan. Chief Sena Manipur State in a press release extended Ramzan greetings to the people of the state, especially to Muslims. SSMS wished that the holy month will usher in peace and prosperity. Forest Development Agency, Bishnupur Forest Division distributed goods in 6 villages of the district today as a part of strengthening of local institutions initiative under Green India Mission 2018-19. The distribution event was held at Global Information System Laboratory, Divisional Forest Officer, Bishnupur. Taking part in the event, DFO Bishnupur Dr. Rebecca Soibam urged the villagers to plant more trees for an enhanced environment. Department of Relief and Disaster Management and Lighting Club Taubal Athokpam jointly organized a mock drill on disaster management during floods at Taubal Athokpam Arong River today. Experts of 12th Battalion, National Disaster Response Force, State Disaster Response Force and Manipur Fire Services taught attendees on how to save someone from drowning.
environment को फिंगार से न बा और अगले 2-3 दिनों में
Imphal West Commando team conducted cordon and search operation at Pauna Bazaar area today. The team, under the supervision of Additional SP Operation Imphal West Police Aribam Ganesham, carried out the search drive from Mahavir Pharmacy to Ibohal Cycle, Kaukulong, BT Road near MPP office, Polo Ground, Pratap Gali, Masjid Road and M sector from 4 to 5:45 this afternoon. Altogether, 380 individuals were verified during the drive, out of which 11 individuals who failed to produce any identification documents were handed over to City Police Station for further verification. Ninth Sector Assam Rifles Kaithal Manbi Battalion under the aegis of IGR South conducted a friendly volleyball match at Andhro Company Operation Base yesterday. The friendly volleyball match aimed to strengthen ties and mutual trust between locals and security forces. Teams of Litan Pifam Youth Club and Andhro COB played against each other with great zeal and enthusiasm, displaying great sportsmanship in the match. And before we wrap up, let's take a look at the headlines once again. COSAM declares 2019 Class 12 exam results. Combined pass percentage for all science stream stands at 73.83. Students of government schools bagged positions. And Ningomam Tampachanu bags All India third position in humanities streams of Council for Indian School Certificate Examination 2019.